Hi, my name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax Stuart in the beautiful showroom, and today we're going to be going over a 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This particular boat right here is equipped with twin 300 Mercuries, upgraded to the pearl white. Here on the transom, we're going to have a beautiful gray and black SeaDek lining, and then here on the port side, a beautiful drop down side, so you can keep your feet in the water. Gorgeous aft lounge seating with diamond stitching, and then pop-up backrests. We'll have storage underneath here, radio controls, USB chargers, and a starboard entryway. Nice big step up, big step down, so you'll feel real nice and deep inside the boat. Great for offshore. You're going to love the ride of this boat, one of the better riding Sea Rays out there. Here you have a gorgeous center kitchen, Corian top. You have your grill top, sink there, and then tucked away in here, a nice Dometic fridge, and then here you'll have a trash can designated storage. So you're going to find plenty of storage underneath all the seats. Here, great communal lounger, huge mount for the table that goes here. So if you're hanging out with your family, going for an evening cruise, and you guys want to sit and talk, it's a nice beautiful area, all real close together. Gorgeous, huge hardtop above me with this manual open sunshade moonroof that you'll have right here. So super nice. Again, designated storage. This boat you can pretty much fit as many people as you want, as long as you have life jackets for everybody. So tons of storage here to put all the life jackets. Co-captain's chair next to you, and then here you can be the husband and wife sitting next to each other while you guys are going for a cruise. Gorgeous display on the Simrads, flush mounted Simrads, fusion stereo. You're going to definitely be one of the loudest boats on the water. Mercury digital throttle. You have the joystick, VHF equipped here. Joystick's going to be super easy to use with the twin engine setup. You have skyhooks, so if you're waiting for a bridge to open up or you're just hanging out before you come and dock, you can set the boat, hold your place, so you can get the boat easy to use for one person. So love the setup here. Nice size head in here. Again, big enough to be a changing room. So if you spend the first half of the day at the sandbar, and then the second half you want to go to dinner, you guys can go on, take your turns changing in there. While you're at dinner, if you need to put any of your valuables away, this is Loctite storage with a USB charger inside. Here up the bow, again, beautiful gray lounge seating up here, diamond stitching, foldable flip-up armrests, and again, storage is just everywhere you look on this boat. This being the SLX model, you're going to have the windlass here up at the bow. This boat is equipped with a freshwater washdown, and then on the port side you do have a spotlight, so easy. If you'd like to see this beautiful boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you're more than happy to give us a call at 772-287-4495. Again, my name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax and Stuart. Thank you for watching this video.